Welcome once again, and let's talk about Crypto.com listing Shibadoge. What are the possibilities that Shibadoge is going to get listed on Crypto.com? Now remember, Shibadoge developers on their website as of last year, when they actually saying Shibadoge roadmap stage 3, okay, they were able to say that they're actually working to get this coin listed on Crypto.com. Now for me, I think someone also asked me the question, what is the possibility of Shibadoge getting listed by Crypto.com? Because we all know if that happens, it's going to be a bonus for Shibadoge. In fact, Shibadoge will experience an increase in price, especially the market cap, because Crypto.com are just one of the top crypto exchanges out there with over 10 million global customers. And these guys are partnering with so many sports companies like PSG, Serie A. They are partnering with so many companies, and I believe that they have the possibility of helping Shibadoge really increase in price. I think it's about 70-80%, because there's some coins they actually listed that are also doing well. Whenever you hear Crypto.com listed this coin, take a look at those coins. You see there's an impact they will create for that particular coin. And I think for me, if Bitmat that just listed Shibadoge right now really helps Shibadoge to gain a lot of increase in terms of price and market cap, what about Crypto.com? Now BitX also coming in. Now BitX control almost 60% or 67% of Shibadoge daily volume. Daily volume is between right now $200,000 to $400,000. And BitX that just listed Shibadoge also controls almost 60%. Now I believe by the time the big exchange will come in, something is going to happen. Now the possibility of Crypto.com listing Shibadoge, for me, I think it's possible, because now last year when they were actually working on how to get this coin listed on Crypto.com, Shibadoge was experiencing a hard period. You see Shibadoge increasing in price today, tomorrow it will fall. But yet they mean Shibadoge developers keep on working to get this coin listed on Crypto.com. But this year the story is different, because right now as I'm talking to you, Shibadoge market cap have increased with over $30 million. That simply means over $30 million have been pumped into Shibadoge since the beginning of the year. And right now, Shibadoge's market cap is trading between $35 million, no longer $5 or $6 million as of December 2022. Now, so many exchanges have started looking towards Shibadoge that, wow, I think they are impressed to see such increase in price on especially the market cap, because what exchanges look up to is mostly the market cap, because money is coming to the exchanges. They are charging some little money, they are making some money. Now, Shibadoge getting over such amount of money within a period of 4 weeks is amazing. I think some exchanges will start looking at or considering to list Shibadoge. So there's a possibility for me listing Shibadoge is possible. Yes, Crypto.com can list Shibadoge, and I hope to see that comes to pass before the middle of this year. And yes, Shibadoge is going to rise again. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please cannot do your own research before taking any